tayo ngayon sa sa pinagmamalaki ng San Jose del Monte. Powered by Ate Rida. Nandito tayo sa Hall of Fame. Char! We're here at City of San Jose del Monte Esplanade. Welcome!
Tour mo naman kami, ma'am.
So, ito yung unang bantayog.
Bantayog?
Ito yung unang light. Ano ba
Yan,
tawag dito? Light of walk?
Light of...
Ha?
Light of the way.
Ganito pala kami sa San Jose del Monte. Ito po pala yung bagong City Health Office.
Hey, good. Good. Putok mo. Para nasa mo ng pumutok. Ha? Sige, kasama ulit.
Sasabi!
Sige. Uy, baka matama mo si ate.
Ayaw balik.
Diretso mo. Oh, Mandy, oh. Mama is so good, oh. Pak!
Ayaw, walang nalolog.
Go! Ilan na. Uy, dami na. 100. Mandy, 100. Uy, 100. You're feeling it. Sige. Dami na. Uy, grabe, naramdaman na. Yay! Oh, you good na.
Ito na.
Wow.
Yun. Ilan pa naman namin dyan?
Ano?
Wow, you happy?
40 points dito.
14.
Wow.
Basic yan ah.
Eh kasi hindi ganito.
Let me see.
Tanggalin na daw yun. Eh, sino ba to?
Nasa pulo.
Yay!
Yay! Good job. Wow.
Let's try.
Enjoy yun. Buka na naman. We thought you're the one who's gonna play, but it's Mama. Mama is enjoying this. You know why we're here, Mandy? Because it's me and Mama's
Anniversary.
Mansari.
Happy Mansari. Kiss me. I like the bear.
What?
I love you. Look, I have a face thing. Are you jealous?
Why would I be jealous?
It's our Mansari.
Are you jealous, guys? Because I have a face thing.
When we're young, we used to walk around like this.
Yeah. We're lucky it's not so hot today. Tonight.
Mandy!
Tapos mamaya tayo mag-away.
Asa si Mandy?
Oh my God, somebody got her!